Most people over 40 don't lose mobility because of age. They lose it because they stop doing these 5 movements. And once that happens, your body starts aging twice as fast. Do these 5 exercises daily, and you'll stay mobile, strong, and pain-free for decades. The 5th one is the most important, and skipping it is exactly why most people lose their independence as they age. Number 1, the cat-cow. Cat-cow, loosen your spine fast. The cat-cow is more than a warm-up. It's how you feed your spine. Your spinal discs have no direct blood supply. They rely on movement to pull in nutrients. This exercise pumps fluid through your back, clearing the stiffness that builds up from hours of sitting. If you wake up stiff, it's not because you're aging. It's because your spine is starving for movement. Here's how to do it. Get on all fours. On the inhale, slowly arch your back and look up. On the exhale, round your spine as much as possible, tucking your chin to your chest. Aim for 60 seconds of slow, mindful repetitions. 90/90ths hip hold, unlock tight hips. Number 2, the 90/90ths hip hold. Your hips are the foundation of your body. When we sit for hours, the hip joint capsule freezes up, limiting internal and external rotation. This forces your lower back and knees to compensate for the lack of movement. The 90/90ths hip hold is the gold standard for hip mobility because it targets the joint capsule itself, not just the muscles. It restores the rotation most people quietly lose by their 40s. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with both legs at 90-degree angles, one in front, one to the side. Keep your spine tall. If you're leaning to the side, it's a sign your hips are locked. Use your hands for support to stay upright. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds per side. You'll feel a deep pressure in the hip socket. That's the reset happening. Number 3, the deep squat. Deep squat, fix your knees and ankles. The deep squat is a fundamental human resting position. The ability to hold a deep squat is one of the most significant markers of longevity and functional health as we age. This position acts as compression therapy for your knees and ankles, restoring the lost elasticity in your Achilles tendons. The better your squat mobility, the less stress your lower back takes during every step you take in real life. Here's how to do it. Drop into your deepest squat, keeping your heels flat on the floor. If you can't stay upright yet, hold onto a door frame or a heavy piece of furniture. Aim for 60 seconds. This isn't just an exercise. It's a resting position your body is reclaiming. Puppy pose, open your chest and fix your posture. Number 4, the puppy pose. This is the fastest way to undo smartphone posture. Years of slouching at a desk lock your spine into a curve. The puppy pose forces your upper back to straighten back out. By opening the chest and shoulders, you are not just improving flexibility. You're literally decompressing your lungs and reversing the structural damage caused by daily screen time. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours. Then slowly walk your hands forward as your chest lowers toward the floor. Keep your hips positioned directly above your knees to target your upper back, not your lower back. Hold for 60 seconds and let gravity do the work. Number 5, the horse stance. Horse stance, most people failed this. We saved the most powerful for last. While the other moves open your body up, the horse stance builds an unbreakable foundation. It's an ancient isometric hold that acts like structural armor for your knees and hips. This is the ultimate strength test. Most people can't last 60 seconds here, and that's a warning sign. If you can't hold this, your lower body stabilizers are likely dormant, putting your joints at risk during everyday movements. Hold it for 60 seconds, and stay injury-proof for decades. Here's how to do it. Step your feet out wide, point your toes slightly outward, and sit down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your back straight. Don't lean forward. This is where the mental battle begins. Aim for 60 seconds. Your legs will shake, but that is your nervous system rewiring your stability. Random exercises won't fix your 5-minute daily mobility routine body. You need a simple daily protocol. Here's how to combine these 5 movements into a perfect 5-minute daily routine. First, perform the cat-cow for 60 seconds. Next, do the 90/90ths hip hold for 30 seconds per side. After that, sink into a deep squat for 60 seconds. Then, move to the puppy pose and hold it for 60 seconds. Finally, finish with the horse stance for 60 seconds. The horse stance is on a different level. If you want to master it and build real lower body strength, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.